More homes on the market in San Diego County as inventory continues to rise. Stick around for a couple of minutes and I will talk about what's going on. That's right, it's time for everybody's favorite San Diego County real estate information program, San Diego Market Watch. Thank you for tuning in. Let's get right into the numbers. Looking at the chart here, we see that home inventory is now up over 5,000 units after being down below 4,000 at the beginning of the year. So it has taken 1 quarter to raise 1,000 units. By the middle of last summer, we were over 7,000 units. So I expect that we are probably seeing the same trend developing this year. And why? Because pending sales remain flat. In fact, pending sales went down just a bit over the last 7 days after getting almost to 500 for the first time in a really long time over the last 2 weeks. However, for the most part, we hover right around 450 units a week, and that has been the story for the last 3 or 4 years. So looking at price reductions over the last 7 days, those are down just a bit as fewer sellers elect to reduce price in an effort to get their home sold, even though inventory is rising and days on market are climbing. And of course, median price between January and February remains unchanged. It plateaued after four months in a row of rising. Now, why did pending sales decline last week? Most likely because interest rates are spiking again after getting below 6% for 1 week here just a couple of weeks ago. We have been on a steady climb since then as the 10-year Treasury and overall economy is not cooperating with lower interest rates. Now, at the direction of the White House this week, Fannie and Freddie began their mortgage-backed security buying program to the tune of $200 billion. Will that help? That remains to be seen, although had rates cooperated and remained down right at 6 or just below 6, it would have pushed rates down even further into the mid to high 5s versus now we're just struggling to get back to 6. And that mortgage-backed security buying program would be artificially pushing rates down versus what has been happening, which is sort of the natural oscillation of the 10-year Treasury and the overall economy. So this is not good news for buyers, and it's not good news for sellers either, because as upward pressure on rates push payments up, buyers are less and less likely to pay more for a home, which softens pricing. And as inventory increases and pending sales stay the same, it just puts more downward pressure on pricing and makes buyers less likely to push the price of your home up. So that's not great news for anybody. Frankly, we were hoping rates would continue to trend down. So that's what's happening in San Diego County real estate this week. If you like this content, please give us a like, share, subscribe, and comment. Let us know if you have any questions about buying or selling real estate anywhere in San Diego County. We are here to help. Stay tuned for more great real estate information coming your way. Have a great day, and we'll see you right back here.